In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix IPTV Smarters Pro buffering. So if you're having this particular problem, you can head over right here into your IPTV. And in order to fix this buffering, you can head over and make sure that you have a stable, reliable internet with IPTV subscription, your login details, and an updated device. You can check first your internet connection, run a speed test by going to speed or fast.com and seeing if it's actually stable enough. For stable SD, aim for at least 10 Mbps. You can also optimize your streaming device and app, clear your app cache, restore it, reduce the video quality, and use an efficient player. You also need to configure your IPTV app correctly. Make sure that you're using IPTV Smarters Pro and look for settings such as buffer size, encoder type, and timeout settings. Also consider using your VPN and DNS. You can use those in order to use or make sure that your buffering will be better. Now, here are the quick tips to how you can resolve that. So that's all there is for today, and I hope this video helped you out.